As a harvest operation draws to a close, it's important for all involved in the operation to consider the condition of the roads and skid trails prior to leaving the tract. If best management practices were followed, the tract closeout should be relatively simple. The overall goal of closing out a tract is to stabilize the roads and skid trails so that subsequent rain events do not wash sediment into nearby streams, resulting in water quality problems. Skid trails may be stabilized by scattering leftover logging debris along the length of the skid trail to form a coarse mulch that slows down water and traps any sediment. Berms or other dirt piles may be used to turn water off the trail. Grass or other vegetation may be used to further stabilize the soils until natural revegetation can occur. Roads that will not be used for future management activities may be closed out in a similar fashion. If, however, the roads will be used, water bars and turnout ditches should be installed where needed, and in case of unstable soils, straw or other mulch and grass or other vegetation may be used to further stabilize the site. In addition, temporary stream crossing should be removed and any loose soil should be stabilized. Permanent stream crossing should be maintained, and pipes or culverts that allow water to flow under the road should be cleaned out to ensure water may flow unimpeded. Logging safety is crucial for success. Logging is considered one of the most dangerous occupations in the United States because of the size of the equipment and the nature of harvesting large trees that can fall and/or roll. The hazard is compounded when dangerous environmental conditions are factored in. Steep terrain, inclement weather conditions, and remote or isolated work sites all contribute to the hazards of logging operations. These factors also create a safety hazard for landowners, foresters, and others who might visit the logging site. As a result, safety around active logging operations must be a high priority for all involved. For loggers and their employees, the Occupational Safety and Health Administration, or OSHA, has developed a set of standards that must be followed. These same standards provide key guidance for landowners and foresters who may occasionally visit the site. Personal protective equipment, or PPE, is required for all logging workers. PPE includes hearing and eye protection, hard hats, steel-toed boots, and chaps and gloves when chainsaws are being used. In addition to PPE, OSHA provides specific guidelines for working around heavy equipment, as well as training requirements for all logging crew members. Requirements also include seat belts and fire extinguishers on all equipment and well-stocked, accessible first aid kits. A final but very important safety-related consideration for loggers involves the transport of logs to the mills. Here, safe driving practices are critical to ensure the safety of both the driver and the driving public.